This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.19.10. As part of our ongoing commitment to design and develop against WC3 accessibility best practices, we have updated or included the following: input type and autocomplete to appropriate fields, escape commands where appropriate to components on hover or focus, components that activate on down event can be canceled, adjusted color contrast ratios. In the assignment evaluation experience, the next student and previous student chevrons have been moved into the navbar. Several consistency updates have been made to improve the user experience and span across the following categories: visibility, icon and icon order, restriction tab content, and language. This feature implements PI items D3981, D615, D4016, and D1965, and partially implements PI items D4055 and D1375. Visibility controls have been standardized across Brightspace. Now, in assignments, quizzes, discussions, surveys, and grades, a checkbox is used, and the language has been updated to hide from users. Visibility controls have also been moved into the Restrictions tab across these tools. In content, the visibility icon also acts as the visibility toggle. Click Visible to reveal the toggle. Visibility status is displayed when a topic is not visible, when bulk editing, or editing properties in place. All common activity icons display before tool-specific icons. Special access has been reduced to a single icon, and the exemption icon now displays in assignments. Alt text displays on all icons. For a comprehensive list of changes, review the release notes. To support the end of life of Microsoft Internet Explorer, users logging into Brightspace with Internet Explorer will now see a banner. This banner informs the user the impending end-of-life date and can be dismissed for a single session. Each time a user accesses Brightspace using Microsoft Internet Explorer, this banner will reappear. Your instructors can use the iOS and Android Brightspace Portfolio apps to capture work on behalf of learners. This feature implements PI item D4629. The Brightspace Pulse apps for iOS and Android are available in Dutch. The Links tool now requires newly created links to follow new validation rules. Only specific URL paths will be accepted. For a complete list of accepted paths, review the release notes. The latest version of Brightspace Pulse is supported on Apple devices with iOS 11 or higher. Older versions of Brightspace Pulse will continue to work on Apple devices with iOS 10, but will not receive app updates. The Competency Activity Results Brightspace dataset now includes the Archived Date column, and the Quiz User Answers Brightspace dataset includes the Section ID column. Several new Brightspace datasets have been released. For more information, review the release notes. Intelligent Agents now supports attachments. This feature implements PI item D5283. When creating a message, you are now able to upload files or select from available course files. Note: attachment size is based on the email attachment size setting for your organization. The Activities view in Quick Eval is now screen reader compatible. In the quiz evaluation experience, the next student and previous student chevrons have been moved into the navbar. You can now control the ability to preview and grade in-progress quizzes using the new Enter in-progress quiz as user permission. With this change, impersonation permissions are no longer required, and instructors will not accidentally infringe on a learner's privacy. For a refresher video on the activity view of Quick Eval, follow the link provided in the video, And, as always, don't forget to subscribe.